Tape is a cute little thing, but how can it fit in a studio workflow or live performance where you have to juggle so many things, not just this gadget? Maybe it can be controlled remotely, let's say via MIDI? Yes, and this could be a huge deal. In this video, I won't touch tape even once. I have just connected the cables and glued it to the stand. In this example, I control recording, playback, and input source via controller, so I was able to record a toy flute a couple of times, stop recording, and then switch off the microphone. But there is more. Snap. I'm completely suck at playing keys. Oh, that's so much better.
Check this out. Take a look at this! Jesus Christ, that right there!
Since we began working on this feature, the ideas have been swarming in my head, driving me almost crazy. So, in your hands, tape could become fully featured studio gear while still being a happy accident machine and compact device that can survive transatlantic flight on a single charge. This feature is in deep progress state. We still have to decide which functions to make public, which to hide from MIDI, whether to make dynamic mappings or not, and which controllers will be used with tape the most. And there is nothing better and more important than your opinion. Please, take your time, think about it, and then come back to this video and leave a comment about how would you use MIDI, which control do you want, which controller or soft you would use with tape. How would you like to configure your MIDI setup with tape? Thanks. Merry Christmas. See ya.